Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So one of my Christmas gifts to myself came early, girl. Ah. Alright, so I shared this very fine that I'm about to open with you right here, right now on the YouTube community. I often post really good deals that I find. I share them with you. You know, I share. When I find a good sale, girl, I will post the link. But this one, as you see, is from Macy's, and this one is a handbag, okay? Now, this was at a really great price, and I was like, you know what, I keep saying I don't need any more handbags, but at this price, girl, I could not pass up on this one. And plus, I don't have many bags by the designer anyway, so I opted for it, and it is this one right here. This is the Michael Kors Mercer bag. This is the large Mercer Tote bag. I paid $130 for this one, or either $139. I have to pull up the receipt and see exactly what it was, but nonetheless, this bag normally goes for like $300. So when I saw this one on sale, I knew I had to grab this one. I love the style. It's kind of styled similar to a YSL bag, but it gives me Birkin type feels as well. But nonetheless, I mean, Michael Kors is a luxurious brand. This bag is giving me all types of luxe vibes. Now, this is the, how do you say it? Soffiano print. I really would love to have this bag in the pebbled leather, but this is the Soffiano leather, which it has this like, I don't know, it's some type of texture. Let me see if you can see it, give you a close-up there. But that is what it looks like. It's not pebbled like the, do I have one? Like the Affini bags look. Like this is like a pebbled leather, you know? But yeah, these are similar in color. This one has more of an orange undertone to it, so I love this color. Like I said, I didn't have any Michael Kors leather bags. I do have like one of the signature totes, the tote bags that has all the MKs over it. I'm not really fond of that bag. I'll carry it to work, use it like as a work tote, but nonetheless, I do love this one. This one has the feet underneath. The black one in this style sold out super fast. When I initially went to buy this bag, this one was sold out. So I had to wait like maybe a day for them to restock it. Once they restocked it, I did not waste time. I went ahead and copped this bag. I was like, I definitely want that one. Gotta have it. Yeah, because I even blogged about this one. I even created a blog post with some of the great sales that they had on the handbags. So this is what it looks like on the inside. So you can carry quite a few things in it. I think I'm going to go ahead maybe and switch over to this one today. So beautiful. My planner and everything will fit great in here. My whole iPad. Oh, so nice. Look at that. So all of my daily essentials can fit in here. So this is like the perfect everyday bag for me. And I gotta catch it in black while it's still on. Not as cheap as it was initially, like during their Black Friday sales, but it's still relatively nicely priced right now. And they are offering like Macy's cash once you buy, you know, like the pricier items. So yeah, definitely worth the purchase. Love this bag. And as you see, it does have the top handles. You do have a long shoulder strap. You can use this as a crossbody too if you wanted. Oh, so beautiful. Y'all know I love and live for a handbag. Absolutely love this bag. It is so cute. So like I said, I do want it in black. but I know the Michael Kors black Mercer tote on the Macy's website is the Soffiano leather as well. So I don't really mind having it in the Soffiano, however you say that. I know you don't mind correcting me down below in the comments, okay? But I don't mind having it in this style of leather. This is actually really, really nice. I like it. I do love this bag, but yeah, I'm going to get the black one, and I do want it in that Bordeaux deep burgundy color. That color is so beautiful. I definitely have to have it in that color. Those are like my favorite colors. But I love this bag. Let me know what you think. This is a great gift for yourself, great gift for anyone. I am really, really happy that I got it. So nice. Did I show you the feet under the bottom? So it does have feet, top handle, long strap. Very, very great functioning bag. I love it. So it has the Michael Kors gold emblem inside. Now it does come in silver hardware as well, but I think that Macy's only have the gold hardware ones right now on sale, but I could be wrong. I'm more partial to gold hardware. I love all my hardware, all my handbags to be gold. But yeah, really, really, really loving this bag. So yeah, this is the Mercer large convertible totes, okay? Leather, and this color is called luggage. I've seen a lot of people referring to this bag as a luggage bag. No, luggage is actually the color name, okay? This is called luggage. Now, why Michael Kors just won't call this cognac like everybody else, or some variation of brown, I don't know. But yeah, this is definitely the luggage color. So cute. Let me know what you think of this one. Was this a good pick? Would you have picked this? Do you have this bag on the way? Because if you ordered it, once I start posting those links, then you should be receiving yours any day now as well. But yes, it is so nice. I love the little lock. Yes, so cute. But yeah, girl, that is it for me. I wanted to come on and share with you the Michael Kors tote that I have been sharing with you via my posts for the past maybe 2 weeks now. Finally have it. It is here. Let me know what you think. And also, let me know what all you ordered yourself for Christmas. I didn't order myself too much stuff. Like, this was like the biggest thing that I bought. Everything else was like smaller stuff, mostly like skincare products and all of that good stuff. But yeah, that is it for me, guys. Be sure to let me know what you think of today's video. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Until next time, I will see you in my next video. And that will definitely be another video. You know what? I'm actually going to go ahead and pack this bag. I'm going to pack it. I'm going to carry it today. She's too beautiful just to sit in the house. We're going to carry her. And I might come back and show you like how functioning this bag is, and show you what I keep in my Michael Kors Mercer totes.